Hey everybody, how's it going? So we're going to be doing a quick unboxing of this small item I got from eBay. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so I got this package from eBay. Says amazing US deals. Kenilworth, New Jersey. I picked up a bunch of items for the limited Forerunner. Door handles, stereo components. Alright. Okay, so this is a genuine Pioneer cable. So this is a genuine CD MU200 cable. Should be 2 cables in here. USB interface cable for use with MirrorLink devices. There's 2 cables in here. So this is the extension cable. So it's got a male on this end, a female on this end. You plug this into the back of the stereo in USB port 1, because that is the port that has the MirrorLink capability. And this extends it so that you can run it out of your dash. And then this right here is the MirrorLink cable, which is USB male, which goes into here, into the female extension, like that. And then you would plug this into your phone, and this does work on this does work on the older devices, the old Samsung Galaxy Notes, like the Note 3 and 4 and 5. This is a micro cable, but you can use this on a USB-C Galaxy Note, like my Note 10 Plus. With an adapter. So you can actually get a micro to USB-C adapter, which is this guy right here. I got like 50 of them for like $10 on Amazon. They work great. They allow you to convert any older cable like this to USB-C. And this will work on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G that I have, which is the 512 gig model. You just need to get an adapter if you pick up one of these cables, and then you just pop it onto the micro plug, and now it will work for that phone. I was looking for these. This was $9. I'm actually glad that I was able to find one, because this is the same cable but it's made by another company, and I didn't realize that I ended up buying it twice. I think I was suspicious about this one when I bought it, and I found this one that actually has the OEM Pioneer, because this cable, as an example, this cable is a lot thicker than this cable. You can see the thickness difference. Let me turn this light on. The Pioneer cable is a lot thicker. This one's really thin, this one's really thick. So it's nice to find the original cables, because these are definitely cheaply made. This one was only $10. It's a lot thinner. It's not as well built as the Pioneer cable, but I'm sure either one of them will work. That's all I got for you guys today, though. Just a quick video. If you guys are looking for this, make sure that you find it with the Pioneer emblem, with this label. CD MU200. MirrorLink certified certification logo. MirrorLink and MirrorLink logo are certification marks of trademarks of Car Connectivity Consortium. Unauthorized use is strictly prohibited. It's just got some information on it. But that's all I got for you guys today. I'm glad I found this cable. Glad that I was able to get this cable coming in. Because this is the exact cable that I bought a long time ago from Crutchfield for the SR5 4Runner as well as the Excursion. But that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And this is just a USB-C to a male USB-C to a female micro. I'll try to remember to leave this in a link down below, as well as I'll try to link this for eBay, or maybe Amazon might have it. I'll link that in the description below as long as I remember. Appreciate you guys stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!